Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to CarMax. So today I'm going to review the stylish Honda Civic 2019. Just take a look at it. Starting with the key fob, it has lock and unlock options, and if you press this button the trunk will be opened, and this is for hold. Stylish LED headlights, and down there you get your fog light, and in the middle there is a Honda symbol, and inside this there is a stylish grille inside. And all the way coming here you get the cool looking side mirrors. See these designs. And again here is a keyless entry option. Here you go, simply press the button, you enter the car and drive. And this is the back door, and here is the fuel opener at the left side of the car, and here at the back side you get the cool looking stylish tail lights. And see, this is alphabet C for Civic, Honda Civic. And here you get your rear view camera, and down here you get your 4 sensors, 1 2 3 and 4. And down here you get your reflectors at both sides. Coming up to the trunk, you can open this with the remote, or else you can go here, press this button here, and you can open it. Okay, now let's open it. Yeah, it pops up. There you go, you get a huge space. Actually you can pull these levers, these 2 levers, and fold the rear seats so you can get more space. Here's a Honda toolkit. Then yeah, let's go to the interior. Sorry, I forgot to say about the wheels. It's a 16-inch wheel, alloy wheels, stylish alloy wheels, the Honda symbol in the middle. Now let's take a look at the interior. Here is a keyless entry option, as I said you before, and another option is also available. Like in this handle you have a sensor where you put your hand like this, the car on lap. Okay, now let's get into the car. Okay, to start the car, put your foot on the brake. Here the light comes up, press this. Wow, fasten your seat belt. Okay, coming up to the door with the power mirror controllers, power locks, windows lock, then window controllers. You get the indicator switch. Okay, and when you put the indicator, you can see the blind spot camera over in the mirror that I'll show you later. See, here is the blind spot camera. All the way coming here down, you get the bonnet opener button, and here you get the trunk opener button, and now you get the steering controllers. Okay, this is for cruise control. You can set raise acceleration or cancel, and here it's accept call button, decline call, voice assist. Then here the settle, you get the Honda symbol. Here is the start stop button, and here you get a touchscreen display. The time is showing. Here's the AC controllers. You get turned off or like that with this button. This is recirculation, then front, rear. This is controllers. The gear, it has P, parking, reverse, and DSL, low gear. Okay, when you put the reverse gear, as usual, you get the rear view. Okay, then here okay, we'll see in the other side. When you put the gear in R, the camera pops up and it has 3 different angles. Okay, the lower angle, wide angle, wider angle. And here you can see the speakers there in the front passenger door also. You can see, yeah. And if you open the door, see, it indicates. Yeah, nice. See, it's saying the door is not closed properly. Here in the front passenger seat, here also you can see this button. Let's get into them. Okay, see, usual controls, handle and speaker here, and the AC vents. Stylish, it's looking very stylish. Yeah, and here you get the economy button, and here you get the parking button. If you pull this up, the parking is engaged, and if you pull this down, the parking will be released. Coming up here, you get the power port. You can charge the AC, USB, HDMI also is available. And then here you get the glow box. Right, yeah. Look at this massive design. Here you get the hazard button, forward flasher button, and it's a touch screen. See, it's saying the driver is responsible for the blah 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 blah. Here is the vents, AC vents. Here, okay. Coming up here, you get this. You know with this, comb your hair, whatever else you want. And next here, you get the lights. 2 lights over here, and this is button for opening sunroof. Press this, sunroof opens, and for closing it, you should put like this. Then sunroof closes, and actually you can get the view like this. Okay. Okay. Coming to the rear seats, you get the piece of handle, nice pieces of handle with the mirror controls. Here you get a small space, and here I guess there's a huge space. Here there's a pocket for storage, and here there are 2 AC vents, and there's the driver seat also. There are pockets, the controllers, and up here you get the light and the holder. This is the back view. That's all. We came to the end, and if I missed anything, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe my channel. More videos I'll be uploading soon. Yeah, stay tuned.